Hello, it's Snoopy. I'm going to Osaka by airplane now. It's a flight of about 1.5 hours. Shinkansen is a better way to travel from Tokyo to Osaka. Mount Fuji from the sky is one of the reasons why I chose to fly on this trip. The city of Tokyo is looking smaller and smaller. Mount Fuji is inside. It's good to see the sky clear. In front of the mountain is Shizuoka Prefecture, and on the other side is Yamanashi Prefecture. You can see that Yamanashi Prefecture has more snow than Shizuoka Prefecture. This is the most beautiful Mount Fuji that I've ever seen. The plane was very bumpy with the turbulence. I hit my head against the wall while waiting for the lavatory. When I said ouch, the cabin attendant spoke to me. Are you alright? I'm so sorry. Even though she did nothing wrong. The plane landed safely at Kansai International Airport. I'll explore there to make another video later. Don't miss it. I'm going back to Tokyo by Shinkansen. Bye bye, Osaka. Osaka is a fun place to visit. I'll be back. As I flew when I came to Osaka, I will see Mount Fuji from the window of the Shinkansen on my way back. I chose a green car today. There are two options for Shinkansen seats from Osaka to Tokyo: ordinary car and green car. The green car is the equivalent of a first-class seat and comes with elevated luxuries compared to that of the ordinary car. I'll be enjoying Mount Fuji from this comfortable seat. I almost overslept. I dozed off. And I woke up to find Mount Fuji from my window. If you wish to see Mount Fuji from the Shinkansen, you should ask for a seat in row E of the ordinary car or in row D of the green car when going to and from Tokyo. My trip to Osaka is coming to an end. I'll make some videos about Osaka, so don't miss them. I really enjoyed my trip. Nevertheless, when I come back to Tokyo, I feel that this is where I belong. Tokyo is the city where I feel at home. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes and subscribe to my channel. I'm also taking your request. Leave your comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね